Amelia, a college student with a penchant for procrastination, sat hunched over her computer, eyes locked on the screen. She had never imagined that an online course could feel so personal, yet here she was, 3 weeks into Bean Counter's Bookkeeping Basics, with Dave Marshall, a quirky yet endearing tutor who seemed to speak directly to her with every lesson. The camera flickered to life, revealing Dave's familiar face, framed by a halo of unruly hair and a backdrop of meticulously arranged accounting ledgers. "Welcome back, number crunchers," he greeted, his voice brimming with enthusiasm. "Today, we dive into the enigmatic world of double-entry bookkeeping." Amelia felt a mix of anticipation and dread. Numbers had always been her nemesis, but something about Dave's unorthodox teaching methods, a mix of humor, real-world anecdotes, and practical exercises, kept her coming back for more. He had a knack for making even the driest topics seem engaging, and Amelia found herself chuckling at his jokes about debits and credits. Still, the journey was far from smooth. The initial excitement of learning something new was quickly overshadowed by the complexity of the subject. Amelia frequently paused the videos, rewinding to catch Dave's explanations or to scribble down notes. Today was no exception. As Dave launched into an example about balancing a hypothetical bakery's books, Amelia's mind began to wander, the numbers blurring into an incomprehensible mess. Frustration bubbled within her. She buried her face in her hands. Was she really cut out for this? Her thoughts spiraled into self-doubt until a soft ping from her laptop snapped her back to reality. It was a notification from the course forum, a message from Dave himself. "Hey, Amelia, I noticed you haven't posted any questions recently. How's everything going? Remember, every great accountant started where you are now. Don't hesitate to reach out." A small smile crept onto her face. Dave's encouragement felt genuine, like a mentor truly invested in her success. Her fingers hesitated over the keyboard before she replied, confessing her struggles with understanding the latest concepts. To her surprise, Dave responded almost immediately, suggesting a one-on-one video call to go over the material together. As they connected, Amelia could feel her anxiety begin to dissipate. Dave's easygoing demeanor and tailored explanations made the concepts click into place. "Think of it like a puzzle," Dave said, his hands animated as he spoke. "Each entry has a place, a purpose. Once you see how the pieces fit, it all makes sense." Amelia nodded, her confidence slowly rebuilding. By the end of the session, what once felt like an insurmountable wall now seemed like a challenge she was equipped to tackle. She thanked Dave, promising to keep him updated on her progress. As the weeks went by, Amelia's confidence grew alongside her understanding. She found herself explaining concepts to classmates, her voice steady and assured. The numbers that once intimidated her now felt like old friends, their secrets unraveling with each new exercise. One evening, as she reviewed her notes before the final exam, Amelia paused to reflect. She realized that this course had taught her more than just bookkeeping. It had shown her the power of persistence and the importance of seeking help when needed. It was a lesson she would carry with her beyond the classroom, into every aspect of her life. The screen flickered one last time as Amelia completed the final module. Dave's smile filled the screen as he congratulated his students, his pride evident. "Remember," he said, "every ledger tells a story. Go out there and write your own." Amelia closed her laptop, a sense of accomplishment warming her heart. She had transformed from a hesitant student into a confident keeper of books, ready to face whatever challenges lay ahead, one balanced ledger at a time. Amelia decided to share her experience with some friends and called them to tell them if they wanted to or needed to learn bookkeeping to check out Dave Marshall's Bean Counter bookkeeping tutorials and courses.